That's a pretty big hive. How well organized these bees are. Like, how they're calling them, everybody, yo, over here, over here. Their little butts up. I love this. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.